started. Students, now we will do exercise 2B, question number 6, part E. Using the division method, find the HCF of the following number. The numbers are 35, 42, and 77. The biggest number is 77, less than 77 is 42, and less than 42 is 35. You have to focus on this, that which number is the biggest and which is less than and which is the smallest number. We will make a division sign here and let's start dividing. The biggest number will go inside and it will becomes dividend, and less than uh, 77 is 42, it will becomes the divisor. We will divide it. 42 1 times is 42, because 42 2 times will becomes a bigger number, that is 84. 42 1 times is 42. We will subtract it. Subtract 2 from 7 gives us 5. Subtract 4 from 7 gives us 3. Again, we have to make a division sign. And our 35 remainder will becomes divisor in this step. Our remainder was 35, it will becomes divisor, and our last divisor, that was 42, will becomes dividend in this step. Now 35 1 times gives us 35. We will not take 35 2 times because it will becomes bigger number, that is 70. Now subtract 5 from 2. We can't subtract, so we will borrow one number from this 4, and 4 will reduce to 3. 2 will becomes 12. Now subtract 5 from 12, is will gives us 7. 3 minus 3, 0. Our remainder is 7. Again we have to repeat the division process. 7 is remainder. In this step it will becomes divisor, and our last divisor, that was 35, will becomes dividend. 7 5 times gives us 35, and 35 minus 5 gives us 0. I have reached to 0, so I need to stop here. Now again we will make division sign, and we will take our new number, the remaining number, that is 35. This, see this 35, it will becomes dividend, and our last divisor, that was 72, will becomes divisor. It divides 35 5 times. 5 times is 35. I have reached, after subtracting, I have reached to 0. That's why our HCF is, HCF is the last divisor, that is 7. HCF is 7. You have to remember that last divisor is always HCF. Quotient is not HCF. You have to remember its quotient is 5. 5 is not HCF. This is common mistake most of the students do. 5 is quotient, it's not a HCF. The last divisor is 7. Always last divisor is HCF.